बॉलीवुड। मैं हूं स्तुति और आज मेरे साथ ऐसे दो कलाकार हैं जिनकी अगली फिल्म की ट्रेलर ने ऑलरेडी ऑडियंस के मन में इतना सारा उत्साह, एक्साइटमेंट, क्यूरियोसिटी एंड सस्पेंस भर दिया है। सो अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम नुसरत मैम एंड राज सर।
Hi, Suti.
Thank you, Stuti.
Hi.
Hi.
So great to speak to both of you today. जब से अजीब दास्तान का ट्रेलर आया है, the audience is so excited to see so many talented actors and directors collaborating on one project together. And as we know, it's an anthology of 4 different stories. So इसमें से आप दोनों की कहानी का नाम है खिलौना. So already, you know, as an audience, when you hear this name, there's a certain zing to it. You know, it puts a question mark in your head, which is what it should do for as an audience. So before we go ahead, aap dono, please, any one of you, if you can tell us a little bit about this story and what we as an audience can expect from Khilona, you know, amongst the other 3 films which are also coming out.
See, about this, we basically follow the journey of these two sisters. The older sister works as a house help in a neighborhood in Lucknow, based in Lucknow, and the younger sister goes to school, but also helps her out, helps the elder sister out in the houses after post school hours and stuff. And what these two sisters kind of do to survive, and you know what their journey is in this world of like a sort of a male dominated society that they inhabit. And then there's some other interesting characters as well. There's Sushil's character, which is played by Abhishek Banerjee, who works as a dhobi in the same neighborhood, and how they kind of develop an equation amongst them. So it's a, I don't want to reveal too much about the story because it is essentially a bit of a whodunit in that sense. So I don't want to tell you what it is. And also it's only 30 minutes. So if I tell you too much about what it is and what the journey is, then it just ruins. I wish I had 2 hours, but it's only 30 minutes. So I won't say too much about it, but it's a journey of these two sisters and the characters around them and what they do to kind of survive.
Lovely, lovely. Yeah, definitely don't reveal anything. I'm also excited to watch this.
Yeah.
So, in the first look which we got from the trailer, Nusrat ma'am, you're playing, as Sir mentioned, you're playing a house help. So obviously, as your journey as an actor has been, you know, the roles which you have played before, this seems to be much out of your comfort zone, something very different which you're doing. So as an actor, आपने ये कैसे approach किया this getting into the skin of this character, making it feel authentic? Were there certain things which you did to relate to the character?
यार honestly मेरे लिए हर फिल्म का हर कैरेक्टर मेरे लिए आउट ऑफ कंफर्ट जोन होता है because before every film and character I'm nervous कि ये मैं नहीं कर सकती. I'm convinced कि oh now I'm going to screw it up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. And I like that nervousness. I like that nervous energy because it just keeps me wanting to do better. And it keeps me questioning myself कि मैं same चीज तो नहीं कर रही या मैं am I able to bring something new to the film? Honestly, you know, I feel there are so many stories that we can tell, and there are so many different shades to a human being's psyche or emotions or what happens in their brain, that there's so much to explore. And the more I put myself into that whole thing of actually why to become comfortable is the first thing. I don't want to become comfortable only. I want to be able to say कि अब मेरे को इसको ना करने को मेरे को नहीं हो रहा है. Like I am very in those uncertain sort of situation and waters. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. I like being there because from there I feel like whatever comes out will be new from what I've done before. तो वो प्रोसेस ही मेरा वैसा है. तो मैं कंफर्ट जोन कभी पकड़ती ही नहीं हूँ, इवन दो ऐसा लगता है, बट नहीं है. बट या डेफिनेटली वेरी डिफरेंट, वेरी एक्साइटिंग, वेरी चैलेंजिंग, एंड मजा बहुत आया करने. आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन डूइंग मीनल.
Yeah, your look is so different in this film. You know, it's really interesting to see, and that's why my question to Raj sir: how did you feel that this character would be, you know, wonderfully played by Nusrat? You know, there must have been some thought process in your head when you were casting her for this role.
Yeah, I feel like Nusrat Bharucha is someone who can play any character. Like she's just I keep calling her a veteran, which she is. And when I saw her, no, but generally she's an amazing actor. I always liked her work as an actor. And there were actually a couple of people we were sort of thinking about when we were looking to cast this character. But then when I met Nusrat, I was just absolutely convinced that she'll be the best for the part. And I feel like now looking at the film, I don't think anyone could have, played this part better, except a couple of people. But I mean, majorly is. I'm just playing. She's just amazing. So I had a feeling she'd be very good for the part, which she is. And in fact, everyone else. Yeah, I think I had a great cast in place. And in order for a film to work, that is the basic criteria, is to have an amazing cast. And I was lucky enough to get that in the film.
Yeah, in fact, mera agla question was about that only. Like Abhishek Banerjee, we've seen him in such a different role in Patal Lok right now. So this new pairing is very interesting. It's a very unique pair which we are getting to see. And I don't know, matlab trailer mein to thoda sa hi glimpse mila hai, but there seems to be a very interesting like spark between them. So
Yeah,
this
there is.
chemistry, how did you build between
And the
them?
irony of it is that they played siblings in Dream Girl.
Yes.
And trivia for everyone is, I don't think Abhishek, I didn't thought about it, but Nusrat ma'am has called me very nicely and said that Raj, listen, we have I won't tell you details of why she was worried, but I think it was just in her head that they were playing a sort of, they're friends essentially who like each other, and there is a bit of like they have an intimate relationship with each other, let's just say. So ma'am was extremely worried about it, but I had to work really hard to put her fears to rest and say that no equation. You all are amazing actors. Abhishek is an amazing actor, of course, along with Nusrat, and I think it's in the writing as well. I think when you have two actors of this caliber playing those characters, I think my job became easier because.
Right. And Nusrat ma'am, how was it for you working with Abhishek?
Yeah, I think Abhishek was a blessing for me on this film because so Abhishek has been the one casting director who's in fact called me and auditioned me my entire career life for various roles in films.
Mm.
So I'm very comfortable doing scenes with him. In fact, every time casting they would call me, I would say if Abhishek is doing the scene with me, then I'm coming to do it. If it was anybody else reading the other characters' parts, I'm not coming to audition. So I've always been very comfortable with Abhishek. I think he gets what I'm saying, what I'm thinking. He gets how I approach a scene. He gets what I'm capable of doing, and he kind of pushes me to that as well with various auditions. So he being for me to have him on this film was an absolute boon because I kept rehearsing my lines and scenes with him, and I kept discussing with him कि और बता और क्या कर सकती हूँ. So he was helping me as much as being a co-actor as well. So I'm very happy he was with me those 8 days of shooting.
And there was also, so the younger sister is a child actor, right? So, I mean, the experience of working with a child, directing a child and acting with it, that is a whole other ball game, right? So how did that experience go?
Inayat, honestly, when I first met her in Dharma office, Raj told me, she said, oh, we've got an exceptional actor. This kid is amazing. So I said, oh, great, very happy. I met her. I just sat with her for a while. She didn't seem like a child to me. She seemed like a person much smarter, much mature, and much more grown up than her age, which is pretty unreal for somebody who's that young. She, I think, is one incredible actress, and she doesn't even know it yet. I think I don't know whether she does, but I think she doesn't know what her potential is yet. She's amazing. She gets everything so easily. You don't have to explain it to her. And I think that's one thing you need to have as an actor. You need to get what the person is trying to say, whether it's the director's vision or a scene which is written or the writer or the emotion or getting the world of the character and the film. If you get it, half your job is already done. You only have to now kind of bring that understanding onto the screen, which she gets. She gets the narrative. She gets what you're telling her. She gets directions. She gets why she's saying it, who's reacting to what. She understands the whole, I think, relationships and I think being human, I guess. She gets it. And that I think is a great quality to have at that young age. I don't think I had it. Yeah, I mean, human beings, emotions and their psyches and what. You know what, Raja? Stop making fun of me. That.
No, I was just going to say, I was going to add to that. I think if you had, when you see the film, you realize, you haven't seen the film yet, right, Subhi?
No, I haven't.
When you see it, you'll realize that this kid is just magic. I think she's one of the most intelligent kids I've come across ever in life in general. So it was actually, it can be challenging with kids, but with this one, it was just a breeze, like very, very easy.
Lovely. So talking about OTT platforms, this film is releasing on Netflix. So when you were writing these characters and you knew that the format of this is a short story, right? I mean, a short film compared to a feature-length film. So characters likhte samay ya fir story, is the process different? I mean, obviously it would be different, but do you feel like this is a more liberating process for you? Or, I mean, what is your take on this?
Yeah, liberating to pata nahi, it is challenging, especially the writing aspect of it. The shooting and the making aspect of it, I don't think is very different. I think it's the writing and the fact that you have to create the entire world very quickly because you only have about 30-35 minutes to say the story. So you have to create the characters in the world very quickly. So that is a challenge, but that's more a writing challenge. When you actually have it on paper and you have the script in place, then to make it and execute is actually the same. I mean, your basics of making a film remain the same. It's just that to put it on paper and to say a story and show characters and create a world in that limited period of time and limited space is difficult. I think that's the challenge. Yeah.
Definitely. So would you be open in the future to do more projects online for OTT platforms? Even
Yeah, absolutely. I think and I speak for everyone. I think it's just a great way to tell stories. And while we are not able to go to theaters, this is what's kind of saving us right now. Definitely. Though I wish to get back to theaters really quickly and watch stuff on OTT, but as of now, I feel like this is the only alternative we have.
Whatever interesting that I like, I definitely want to do it.
So you're also open to it. That's great. I mean, definitely seeing the boom that is facing right now. I mean, there's so much content on OTT platforms. So being open will create lots of opportunities. And as an audience, it's one of the best things for us. I mean, it saved us during lockdown.
Yeah, exactly.
So you mentioned in the writing process that, it's different when you write for OTTs, but I heard that this is Khilona based on a true story.
It's not based on a true story. It's based on a true incident that happened.
Incident.
An incident, and I think it was a news piece which the writer of the story, Sumit Saxena, is the writer of the story. He had read about this incident that happened, and he kind of built the story around it. So the story itself is not based on a true story, but there's something that happens in the film which I can't tell you about, which you have to see when you see the film. That is a true incident, and the story was kind of built around that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about on set? Were there any funny incidents? ऐसा कोई यादगार पल जो अभी भी आप लोगों को याद है? Please, share with the audience.
On set, there was Miss Nusrat Bharucha. So yeah, just being on set with this lady is a funny incident in itself. The entire thing. So, but it was fun. Yeah, I mean, we had a great time shooting for it. We only shot for about 8 days in Lucknow. It happens very rarely that everyone in the unit kind of gets along. So from the actors to myself to my team, my production team, the technicians, everyone that was involved, had a great time. And I think all of us were staying in the same hotel. So we kind of bonded. We didn't have too much time. It was only about 8 days, but we're still in touch. And we had a great time. Yeah, for a dark film that we were shooting, we were having great time offset.
Very excited to see it, and besabri se intezar hai for Ajeeb Dastaans and especially for Khilona. So thank you so much, both of you, for joining me. All the best for the film. I'm sure it will do amazing.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.